I can't believe it's finally happening.
Our anniversary trip. 2 years of marriage.
Paris, here we come.
Did you pack everything?
Twice. I made a checklist.
That's my organized wife.
What about our passports?
Right here in my bag.
And the hotel confirmation?
Saved on my phone and printed.
Perfect. We should leave now.
The Uber is already outside.
This is so exciting.
Best anniversary gift ever.
I've been dreaming about Paris for years.
I know. You have that Paris wallpaper on your phone.
I want to sit at a little cafe by the Seine River.
And eat fresh croissants every morning.
I hope this trip is just as magical as I imagined.
It will be. I can feel it.
Let's go. Paris is waiting for us.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Paris, 2 tickets under Thomas Reed.
Let me find your reservation. Here it is.
Can we get window seats if possible?
Let me check. Row 32, both window and middle available.
We'll take window and middle, please.
How many bags are you checking?
2 suitcases.
Please place them on the scale.
Sure, here's the first one.
This one is 52 pounds. The limit is 50.
Oh no, it's overweight.
Just slightly. The excess baggage fee is $75.
That's expensive. Can I move some items?
Of course. You can repack over there.
My wife packed too many shoes.
I hear that a lot.
Let me grab something out there. Try again.
Perfect. 49.5. You're all set.
Thank you.
Here are your boarding passes. Gate B12.
What time should we be at the gate?
Boarding starts at 10:30. Enjoy your trip.
What did she say? Are we overweight?
Just by 2 pounds, I moved your extra shoes.
My extra shoes, they're essential.
4 pairs for a 5-day trip?
You never know what outfit needs what shoe.
I packed 1 pair. That's it.
Men have it so easy.
Hey, at least we saved $75.
Fine. Good thinking.
The shoes are in my backpack now.
Your backpack is already so heavy.
I'll survive. It's carry-on anyway.
You're the best husband ever.
I know. Now let's get through security.
I can't wait to walk along the Seine River with you.
And take a million photos at the Eiffel Tower.
Let's go. What did she say? Are we overweight?
Just by 2 pounds, I moved your extra shoes.
My extra shoes, they're essential.
4 pairs for a 5-day trip?
You never know what outfit needs what shoe.
I packed 1 pair. That's it.
Men have it so easy.
Hey, at least we saved $75.
Fine. Good thinking.
The shoes are in my backpack now.
Your backpack is already so heavy.
I'll survive. It's carry-on anyway.
You're the best husband ever.
I know. Now let's get through security.
I can't wait to walk along the Seine River with you.
And take a million photos at the Eiffel Tower.
Let's go.
Hi, what do I need to take out?
Please remove your laptop and liquids from your bag.
Okay, one moment.
Place them in separate bins.
Here's my laptop and my clear bag of liquids.
Take off your shoes and belt as well.
All done? Is this bin okay?
Yes, send it through the scanner.
Should I walk through now?
Wait for the green light. Okay, go ahead.
Oh no, did I set it off?
It's probably your jewelry. Please step aside.
I forgot about my bracelet.
Please remove it and walk through again.
There you go, clear this time.
All clear. You're good to go.
That was a little nerve-wracking.
Don't worry, it happens all the time.
Thank you so much.
Have a great flight, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Laptop and electronics out, please.
Done. Laptop and tablet both out.
Any liquids?
Just this small bag. All under 3.4 ounces.
Good. Walk through when the light turns green.
No beep. I passed.
Wait, sir. I need to check your carry-on.
Is something wrong?
There's something unusual in here.
It's probably the extra shoes.
4 pairs of women's shoes?
My wife's long story.
That's dedication.
He says they're essential.
I believe it. What about this metal item?
Oh, that's a jewelry box for our anniversary.
Can you open it, please?
Sure, it's a necklace for her.
That's beautiful. You're all clear.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm looking for a gift for a friend.
Of course. What kind of gift are you thinking?
Maybe some chocolate, something special.
We have premium Belgian chocolate gift boxes.
How much is the big box?
It's $45. Duty-free, no tax.
That's a good price. What about that one?
That's our mixed box with truffles and dark chocolate.
Yum, my friend loves dark chocolate.
Great choice. It's $35. Very popular with travelers.
I'll take one, and maybe some for us too.
We have a deal. Buy Jew, get 15% off.
Oh, perfect. 2 boxes then.
Would you like anything else? We also have wine and snacks.
I'll save the wine tasting for Paris.
Smart choice. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your trip.
Finally, coffee time.
I really needed this break,
Security was stressful, huh?
especially with 4 pairs of your shoes in my bag.
Huh? Sorry about that, honey.
It's fine. At least we're past security now.
I can't stop thinking about Paris.
What are you most excited about?
Walking through Montmartre in the morning.
And sitting at a street cafe with fresh croissants.
Imagine watching the sunset from the Eiffel Tower.
We should take a boat ride on the Seine, too.
Yes, a romantic dinner cruise.
See, this is going to be the best trip ever.
I also want to visit that little bookshop by the river.
Shakespeare and Company.
Yes, I saw it in a movie. It's so dreamy.
We'll go there on day 1, I promise.
You always make my dreams come true.
Here's your latte, dreamer.
Thanks, babe. What time do we board?
10:30. We still have 45 minutes.
Perfect. Time to enjoy this moment. Wait, did you hear that announcement?
Something about our flight?
They said gate change from B12 to what? I think they said D8.
D8? That's a different terminal.
Oh no, how far is it?
Let me check the map. It's a 10-minute walk.
And boarding starts in 15 minutes.
We have to run.
My carry-on is so heavy.
I'll take it. Let's go.
Why did they change the gate?
No idea. Happens sometimes.
Follow the D terminal signs.
This way. Stay close.
I can see D gates ahead.
D6, D7, D8.
We made it.
Just in time. They're starting to board.
Welcome. Boarding passes and passports, please.
Here you go.
Flying to Paris. Wonderful destination.
Our anniversary trip.
Congratulations. How many years?
2 years of marriage.
That's lovely. Seats 32A and 32B.
The window seat?
Yes, you'll have a great view during takeoff.
Perfect. My wife loves window seats.
Gate closes in 10 minutes. Proceed to the aircraft.
We will. Thanks for your help.
Enjoy your flight and your anniversary.
Look out the window. We're moving.
This is really happening.
Paris, here we come.
I can't wait to see the Eiffel Tower.
And the Louvre and the little cafes.
We have so much planned.
But today was already an adventure.
Overweight luggage, extra shoes, gate change sprint.
We handled it like pros.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
You know what I'm most excited about?
The food?
Making new memories with you in a new city.
That's the best part of traveling.
Look, we're taking off.
Hold my hand.
Always.
That hurts.
What happened?
My tooth. The cold water touched it and now it's throbbing.
Which one?
The back left one. It's been bothering me on and off all week.
All week? Why didn't you say anything?
Because you'd force me to see the dentist.
Tom, this isn't something you ignore.
I know, but I hate going to the dentist.
The drill sound, the needle, that scraping noise.
You're not a kid anymore.
Adults can be afraid too.
I'm calling Dr. Parker's office tomorrow morning.
Can we wait a little longer? Maybe it'll stop.
Tooth pain doesn't just disappear, it gets worse.
Fine, but I'm not excited about it.
Trust me, you'll be glad later.
Good morning, Dr. Parker's dental clinic.
Hi, I need to schedule an appointment for my husband. He has a severe toothache.
I'm sorry to hear that. His name?
Tom Miller.
Is he already a patient with us?
Yes, he visited about 2 years ago.
Okay, found him. When did the pain begin?
Around a week ago, and it's getting worse.
We have an opening tomorrow at 2:30 p.m.
Tomorrow? That's quick.
Toothaches are considered urgent.
Perfect. We'll take it.
Does he have insurance?
Yes, Metro Health Dental.
Please bring the insurance card.
Is there a copay for exam and x-ray?
Usually between $20 and $30.
And if he needs treatment?
We'll explain the costs after the examination.
All right, thank you.
My hands are sweating.
It's just the dentist, Tom.
Easy for you to say. I'm the one sitting in that chair.
You sat through a baseball game in the rain.
That was enjoyable. This isn't.
Did you complete the forms?
Yes. Medical history, medications, allergies.
Any allergies?
Latex.
They'll use non-latex gloves.
What if it's a root canal?
It could just be a cavity.
Look at that little girl reading calmly.
She's about 5 years old.
And she's braver than me.
Then be braver than her.
Hi, Tom. I'm Amy. I'll take your x-rays.
Will it hurt?
Not at all. Bite gently on this.
Okay.
Stay still. 3, 2, 1. Done.
That was easy.
Here's the image. See this dark area?
Yes.
That's a cavity.
Is it big?
Medium size. We caught it early.
Good afternoon, Tom. I'm Dr. Parker.
How serious is it?
You have a cavity in your lower left molar.
Has it reached the nerve?
No, just through the enamel.
So what's next?
A simple filling, about 20 minutes.
Will it hurt?
First, I'll apply numbing gel.
And then?
A small injection, but you won't feel much.
And the drilling?
You'll only feel pressure.
Okay, I can handle it.
There's also your upper right wisdom tooth.
What about it?
It's growing sideways.
Is that urgent?
Not immediately, but it will need removal soon.
Let's fix the cavity first.
Open wide. I'm applying the gel.
Okay.
Small pinch now.
All right.
Wait 2 minutes.
Can you feel this?
No.
You're fully numb.
Starting the drill now.
Almost done.
Placing the filling.
Bite down.
Feel slightly high.
Let me adjust.
Perfect.
That's it. About 20 minutes total.
I was afraid of that for years.
How did it go?
Better than I expected.
Your total is $280.
Insurance covers 70%.
Your share is $84.
That's reasonable.
Dr. Parker wants to see you in 2 weeks for the wisdom tooth.
Tuesday at 2:30?
That works.
Also, when was your last cleaning?
2 years ago.
You should come every 6 months.
I will. We have a prescription for mouthwash.
It'll be ready in 10 minutes.
What about sensitive teeth?
Use sensitivity toothpaste twice daily.
How long until it works?
Around 2 weeks.
Pain relief?
Ibuprofen, 400 milligrams every 6 hours.
Your total is $15.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
Still numb.
You drooling?
What?
Just a little.
Want soup?
Yes.
The drilling wasn't bad at all.
You see?
I was afraid of the sound.
Next is the wisdom tooth.
Let's not talk about that. Sarah, guess what? I just did.
What?
I called Dr. Parker's office myself.
Really?
I confirmed my wisdom tooth appointment.
Wow.
I even asked about recovery time.
3 to 5 days. Soft foods only.
Look at you being responsible.
I'm still scared, just less scared.
That's bravery.